A very good morning, students. Open your English treasure book. Today, we will read our chapter number 4, His First Flight, written by Liam O'Flaherty, given on page number 29. Liam O'Flaherty was an Irish novelist and a short story writer. He was born on 28 August 1896 and died on 7 September 1984 in Dublin, Ireland. He served on the Western Front as a soldier in the Irish Guard and was badly injured. After the war, he was a founding member of the Communist Party of Ireland. His First Flight is a story about overcoming fears in life. It highlights the fact that every journey starts with a single step, which is the most difficult one to make. To move forward, one must overcome fears rather than being depressed by them. The story also highlights the importance of being independent, have self-belief and confidence. It brings into light the need for motivation and encouragement that help to achieve goals in life. As in the story, the young seagull lacked confidence in his own ability to fly, but once he started flying, his confidence in himself was restored. In this story, we will also read that the mother seagull turned to be cruel, but her intention was kind. She wanted the fear of the young seagull to go away. Now, we will discuss about our story, His First Flight. This story is about a bird, seagull, who is on its stage of learning how to fly. And here, as the title says, His First Flight. Here, his refers to the bird seagull. And first flight means the first flight. The first time the seagull takes his flight. Children, before beginning the chapter, we will come across some new words given on this page like cliff. Cliff means a steep rock face, especially at the edge of the sea. Brink. Brink means edge or extreme edge of land before a cliff. Next, expanse. Expanse means a wide area. Muster. Muster means to collect. And last one is plunge. Plunge means to dive down. So students, now let's start reading our chapter. The young seagull was almost on his ledge. Was alone on his ledge. Here, ledge is a narrow horizontal shelf projecting from a wall or a cliff. So students, here cliff means a steep rock face, especially at the edge of the sea. Means this seagull bird was sitting on the cliff on the edge of the sea. Whole day the seagull was sitting there only. He did not move from there. His two brothers and his sister had already flown away the day before. But he had been afraid to fly with them. Seagull have two brothers and one sister who had already flown a day before. But Seagull was afraid to fly. That's why he didn't move from that ledge. Seagull was scared that if he will fly, he may fall down, that he would survive or not. That's why he stood there only on the ledge itself. Somehow, when he had taken a little run forward to the brink of the ledge, here brink means edge of the ledge, and attempted to flap his wings, he became afraid. Here, one day, somehow he tried to fly. He ran forward to the edge of the cliff and tried to flap his wings, but he became scared. His all siblings and family members had flown away, but the seagull was sitting alone on the cliff. The great expanse of sea stretched down beneath, and it was such a long way down, miles down. Here he felt that there was a great expanse, a wide area of sea beneath that cliff. There was sea all around beneath that cliff and miles down from there, and he got scared that if he will fall down if he tries to fly, as the ledge was on a great height from the sea. He felt certain that his wings would never support him, so he bent his head and ran away back to the little hole under the ledge where he slept at night. The young seagull was afraid and thought that his wings were too weak to support him, and he even could drown in the sea if he tries to fly. So there was a little hole under the edge where he slept last night. He went there in the hole again to rest there. Even when each of his brothers and his little sister, whose wings were far shorter than his own, ran to the brink. Here, brink means extreme edge of the land before a cliff. Even his brothers and sister who are younger than him, they used to come to this place and suddenly they used to dive and their wings stood straight and then they flew away. They start flying. He could see this every day, but still he was afraid of doing so. He was not able to do so because he felt that if I will do, I will not be able to do so. My wings will not support me. I will not be able to do this. So he didn't try it itself. His siblings flapped their wings and flew away. He failed to muster up courage to take the plunge which appeared to him so desperate. So here muster up. Muster up means to collect. Why he fails to do so? Because every time he was trying to collect his courage, and here plunge. Plunge means to dive down. That when he looked at it, he feels like, oh my god, I can't do it. I'm not able to do it.